How to fix USB connected disconnected problem in Android. So if you want to fix USB connected disconnected problem in your Android, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to just scroll down and make sure that you've turned on your developer mode. You can go with system. Under system, you will have your developer options. So make sure that your developer options or your developer mode is turned on. Now under your developer option, you need to go with search, and here you need to search for USB debugging. After searching here, you will find the USB debugging. Tap on it and it will take you to that. Now under USB debugging, you just need simply go and turn on the option of USB debugging. And after turning this on, you need to scroll down and you need to find default USB configuration. If you don't find it, you can go with the search again and again search for USB default configuration. And here also you need to tap on it and tap on file transfer or any other option that you're comfortable with. That's how you can fix your USB connected disconnected problem in your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.